Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut. So for this you have to place the video that you would like to edit or remove the green screen. So for example, I have used this clip, then you have to click on this video, then you have to click on the remove background or the remove BG option from here. Then you have to click on the chroma key, then you have to click on the color picker, then you have to choose the color from here. For example, I would like to choose this color, I mean the green part. Then you have to choose the intensity between 50 to 75 depending on your one. So how much do you, the more you increase the intensity, the more the green screen will remove. So for example, I would like to place it on the 70. It depends on your video. Then after that, if I am going to show you how it works, then if you press another video here, then I would like to place the video that have recently removed the green screen. Then here you can see the video is already video background is already being removed. Here you can see, if you play that, and here you can see the video is already playing and the green screen is already removed, and the video that I have removed the background is currently playing in other background. So that's how you can easily remove the green screen in a video. So thank you very much for watching this video.